Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart at St. Andrew the Apostle Catholic School in Clifton, Virginia, and it was an amazing day. I spoke to the kindergarten through 8th grade. Main theme was diversity, the need for human kindness, just like the shirt says, and the peace sign inside the heart, that's where peace truly has to start. And we model that after our Prince of Peace, right? That we really truly try to embody what Christ taught us, right? He's the perfect example of perfect love. And we do our best to imitate that, right? To really try to see people as he would see them and to show that unconditional love without any conditions, right? And when it comes to diversity or differences on the outside, could be how we're born, how we walk, talk, see, hear, think, that we still respect everybody for that, but also what's on the inside. So our gifts, talents, abilities, the things we're good at, the things we're not good at, that we still respect and honor all of that too. And really this starts with understanding our worth and our value, right? That we see this in ourselves and then we go and spread that love towards others, be the light to their hearts. We all have the letter M, etched in all of our poems with the lines of each of our hand. We have M, I always say this stands for miracle. Upside down, W for worthy that we're worthy of love to give it and receive it. And Isaiah 49 says, I've engraved you on the palm of my hands. And this is a reminder for us that we need to choose to uplift others higher than ourselves. We talked about that too, that 1 John says that yes, it's great to have the words and like the thoughts of love, but we have to show action. We have to take this out in the world, right? So it's one thing that we know the need is there, and it's one thing to know that the word is as close to us, right, as our heart and our mouth, but now how do we go spread that? How do we go and be people that are going to build people up higher than ourselves, just like the Eagles, the mascot here, that we help them rise, right, instead of tearing down. So again, it was a true honor to share my heart with everybody here. Remember, we're all connected, we're all the body of Christ. We got to keep building that up positively, and it starts with each of you. And I know you guys are beautiful miracles that will continue to do that. You guys touch my heart. Until next time, much love, peace.